This is a Rust-Gone tote with the Mega 360 Air Foamer H2O unit. Rust-Gone provides environmentally conscious chemistry for the worker, the workplace, and the world. This biodegradable formulation is also non-corrosive to metals and has a generous rate of concrete removal. Connect the water line here. Connect the air line here. Turn the valve on. Wand on. Apply the thick foam liberally over the entire surface needing to be cleaned. Rust-Gone forms an invisible barrier that stops the corrosion process. Rust-Gone can be used on the entire truck, front to back. Rust-Gone leaves a protective wax that aids in repelling concrete, dirt, oil, diesel soot, and road film. Wand off. Turn the valve off. Turn the water off. Brush the surface. Rinse thoroughly. Romix has answered the environmental challenge with our full spectrum cleaning synergy. Romix formulations contain our exclusive detergent base, utilizing surfactants and high-tech additives. These additives meet today's standard criteria for biodegradability and regulatory compliance. Romix supplies a line of biodegradable concrete removing detergents for the ready-mix concrete industry.